good? What's up with y'all? Right now, I'm getting some gas, but we going to a car show, a gun show today. You know I gotta get that. You know I gotta get that content, you feel me? So, I gotta fill up gas real quick, hold on. Now, for real, they waiting for me to get back to the house, but I ain't gonna lie. I'm holding up all the time, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we supposed to be going to this gun show and a car show. So I got my little Hellcat shirt on, man. My sister got it for me on my birthday, so I'm gonna wear that. It's the perfect time to wear this, man. You feel me? Got a nice little, what's this? A Scat Daytona. I know they don't got Hellcats out here, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all either when I get to the car show or on the way to the car show. Y'all, we made it out here. Took a little travel in there, hour drive. This RA, I like the RA. Just look back here. I want to drive this. This is what I want to drive right here. This is the dream car. Out of all the cars, I want this. I gotta drive this car one time. Yeah, this is this. I need that RA. I need that. Ma, I need this right here. This is what I need. Forget the Hellcats. Forget the Hellcats and everything. Audi R8.
It's like 100, 200,000.
And why you telling me then?
No, I'm saying I need that. I need to get that.
Need to make that money.
That's the wagon. It's Cadillac. These pretty much the same thing. I said these are pretty much the same.
Oh, that's the 328 M3.
I don't know what is this? This something Darth Vader, Star Wars.
No, they don't have no care.
I'm driving this too. You said what?
This is a 400 gear.
It's rare?
Rare, 400 gear.
I ain't never heard about this.
That's why it's rare. No, that's why I realized at first. I was standing right here.
This got a lot going on too.
It's a Scott.
I know. I'm looking at it.
Powerful. I like 2-bit took from him.
Yeah, I want
took
to.
it back from 2-bit the other night. My bad.
That's beautiful. It's the M8. Yeah, I would take this over M5. Yes, it's faster than M5.
You looked it up yesterday.
It's not faster than the M5 CS.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
No, you're saying M5. I'm talking about this M8. This M8 is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I need this right here. BMW and ammo part. I'm ending the debates. Why are you looking like that?
All up in the car.
Huh?
Like, hitting them just be all up inside.
I know I rode this truck, but I ain't ride with that man.
Around the octane.
No, we did not. We just went to explore.
Thank you all for your contributions. Thank you for coming out here on a day today.
That's nice.
I'm having a great time, y'all. I'm Mopar and BMW, so I'm gonna support both. I like Dodge and I like BMW. whipping this too. Take off flying on. Calm little Back to the Future car. You want to drive that? The Supra looks good. I like the colors. I like this.
See what it say, launch edition, 877 or 1500. This is a specific track package car from the factory.
This smoking a bunch of cars.
A bunch of
A bunch. That Viper look good.
Yeah, this is bad.
Huh? You said it's what?
Bad.
I know it's fast. I seen it in action. I seen that in action.